Class Aves is also a member of subphylum Vertebrata and includes all of the birds. There are actually 23 orders of birds. At this stage, we will be focusing on just 4 of them, but we will be discussing some additional bird orders in the next station as well. The 4 orders we will be focusing on now include birds like barbets and woodpeckers, emus and ostriches, pheasants and guinea fowl, and small perching birds. Birds are endothermic vertebrates with feathers, a toothless beaked jaw, a 4-chambered heart, and a strong but lightweight skeleton. They also lay hard-shelled eggs and have a high metabolic rate. Birds have thin and delicate skin compared to other vertebrates, but this skin produces and supports feathers. Feathers may have differences depending on their function and location, but most feathers have both barbs and barbules. Barbs are the main branches of the feather that originate from the central shaft. Any further branches are called barbules, and they typically are hooked in shape. Down feathers are found close to the bird's body to conserve heat and keep the bird warm. They typically have flexible barbs and long barbules. As urbanization increases, more industrial spaces replace natural spaces, which may be harmful to birds. However, urban green spaces may offer protection to birds. We are now going to look at some slides under the microscope. Draw what you see and answer the questions on your handout.
Right now we're looking at a cross-section of bird skin. You should be able to tell that it's fairly thin, and you should also see divots or pockets where the feather would be connected. This is known as a feather follicle. Now we're going to move on to look at a feather. Now this is a specific type of feather that I discussed earlier, but I'm not going to give it away. See if you can figure it out from what I mentioned. You should be seeing both the primary barbs and the secondary hooked barbules. You're going to want to make sure to include and label both of those on our drawing. You also have some questions to answer, so make sure you do that before moving on to the next station.